Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you some handmade embellishments that I've made, and what really I wanted to share with you is how I package these up. Now I know that you've seen some of these. I've shown them in previous videos and I will link them in the description box just in case you haven't watched these or haven't had the time to watch these videos, but I really like the way these came out. Now these, like I said, I've shown them on videos before and I wanted to share everything before I mail these out. This is something you haven't seen. Look how adorable this is. Now all I did was just added a piece of paper here, and then I brought it around, I scored it right here and I brought it around, and I made it kind of like I'm gifting her some images so she can use in her projects. And these are images that I've used throughout all of these embellishments. Now these right here are more embellishments, the ones that I did to alter these trims, and here they are. And there is a back topper, and each one has 3 of these, and I think these just are super cute. And here is another set of embellishments. Look how pretty they are. I just love them. I think they're so cute. Very simple, you guys. I don't do much to the toppings. I like to leave it as is. I think they're just adorable. And then this video you had already seen. These are just die cuts from my stash. All right, so I just wanted to share these with you really quickly, you guys. All of these images are from Polkadoodles. It is using the Winnie White Christmas, and I will have a link to that collection in the description box. The paper itself is from different collections. You can see that this is Prima Santa Baby. I think that's what it's called. This one is from, it looks like Santa Baby, but this collection is from last year from Michael's. Let's see what else. And then this one, I think it's a Polkadoodles. The same thing with this one, but they're from different collections that are not even Christmas related. So all I did was just gather paper that matched everything in pastel colors, and I put them together. So it's just a mismatch of everything, but I think it goes very well. All right, so that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everyone.